What's the meaning of Black Power? Black Power. Black Power.
Black Power. Black Power. Black Power is a political slogan and a social movement that emerged in the 1960s in America, particularly among African American people. It was used to assert black pride and self-determination, as well as to call for the end of racism and inequality. The movement emphasized the need for blacks to organize and unify themselves to challenge white supremacy and to strive for more political, economic, social, and cultural power. The concept sought to promote black identity, group solidarity, and self-reliance to counteract centuries of discrimination and oppression. Black Power remains a symbolic expression of resistance against systemic racial injustice and an affirmation of blackness and black leadership.